Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your pre-owned 2014 Toyota Sienna SE 8-passenger V6. This 8-passenger van comes in a sleek and cool black color. Under the hood you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 cylinder engine, and it includes convenience options like your tri-zone climate control, remote starter, and backup camera for the ultimate driving comfort. But why don't we hop on inside and take a look at your interior features.
Helping you into your Sienna is your handy CompuStar remote starter and key fob. Your key fob does have those power sliding doors here. Check this out. That way you can multitask to the next level with everybody hopping in, and then you can be loading your vehicle in the back with your power liftgate. You also do have your panic button, and that remote starter will definitely come in handy during those cold winter months. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you have that chrome detailing on your handles there for added style, greeted by a sweet 2-tone interior. You have your storage on the side there, as well as your soft trims and your hard gray trims. You have that cool metallic trim as well for added style, plus your power windows and your power locks. You have your power adjustable side mirrors and traction control. You've got a full set of all-weather floor mats, keep everything nice and tidy, and you also do have a power adjustable driver's seat, so you're riding away in the ultimate comfort. And check out your sweet mixed leather and cloth interiors all throughout as part of your SE package. You've got that contrasting stitching as well. And letting in all that light is your power tilt and slide moonroof, which will definitely be nice to have open during those long summer drives. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up. Starting up your Sienna, simply put your foot on the brake and that key in the ignition there. Dashboard's gonna light up. As you can see, you have that sweet white ambient lighting with your red dials. You also do have your kilometers posted at 131,676. You've got your steering wheel mounted controls like volume control, mode changers, as well as hands-free calling and voice command. Below here you'll see that you have your cruise control, perfect for those highway drives. You also do have your high beams and your fog lamps. You've got your windshield wiper for both your front and rear. Taking a look at your display here. Shifting into reverse, you can see that your backup camera pops up on that screen there, a nice safety feature to keep everyone and everything nice and safe. You can see that there's 3 different numbers there, so that represents your tri-zone climate control. So you can set a different temperature for your driver and your passenger side, and then you can also control your rear passenger temperature. Your rear passengers also do have a climate control panel in the back so they can adjust to their comfort level. Now you also do have your audio system with all of your manual controls. You have your CD player on top, you have your AM FM radio, plus your auxiliary input so you can bring your music wherever you go. Below, again, your manual controls for your climate, and you do have that electronic automatic climate control. You have your sport drive mode, a nice stylish sporty shift knob with that chrome detailing. Again, we're seeing that metallic trim all throughout and across your dashboard. Opening that up gives you more options for cup holders, because sometimes you need more than one coffee. You have plenty of storage space, media space, plus your USB auxiliary input, 12-volt DC charger below, some in-floor storage, and you have your cup holders with that ambient lighting inside. And opening up your center console, plenty of space to store everything that you need. Nice sleek design. On your dashboard here, additional storage compartments keep you nice and organized. You have a lock on your glove box with all the manuals. You'll need to know everything there is to know about your Sienna. And here's one more look at that sweet 2-tone interior. Plenty of functionality built right into your pre-owned Sienna. But why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Sienna. To activate that power liftgate, simply hold that button on your fob there and it'll pop open for you. Nice convenience feature to have, especially if you have your hands full. Right now you have your third row seating installed, but check out that deep compartment there for you to store everything that you need. You also do have your handy bag hooks on the side, on the back there, and you have your storage for your 8 passenger seat, which easily removes and installs. You have all of the instructions you need for stowing away your third row seating, and you have your tools and your jack stored on the side in case anything does happen on the side of the road. You'll be prepared. You have your cargo lamp here for visibility, plus your 12-volt DC charger. But why don't we fold your seats down and take a look at all of that space that's opened up. Stowing away that third row seating now. Check out all that space that's opened up to you in the back here. Now your rear passenger seats do completely remove as well in case you need to carry any larger items. Now reactivating that power lift gate, you can press that button there, or you can use your fob if you're walking away from your Sienna. Underneath that spoiler detailing, you'll find your rear windshield wiper. Above here, you'll see that your Sienna comes equipped with its roof rails and crossbars for added storage solution. Plus, you have your backup camera there to help you in and out of those tight spots, a skid plate to keep things nice and protected, and you have your spare tire storage underneath your Sienna on that side there. As we back up to take one more look at the back of your SE.
Taking one final look at your 2014 Toyota Sienna SE 8-passenger V6, well equipped and ready to take you on the exciting road ahead. You definitely need to come on in and take this Sienna out for a test drive. We are easy to find at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.